When we do word problems, we need to see the questions and the words it used. For example, this one is Bonnie had 12 kittens. She shared it to her 4 friends. So how many does each get? Well, we have the word shared in it, and therefore it is a division. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Now, if you encounter word problems that contains fractions, the way is pretty much the same. For example, if Bonnie had 3/4 of cake, she shared it to her 4 friends. How many does each get? We still use the word shared, and the way to answer it will be 3/4 divided by 4. Well, we know that the answer will be 3/16. Now, remember that whatever the questions, as long as it's some things or something put into smaller groups, like cake cut into several parts, or some rice put into several containers, or having some people put into different groups, into several groups, they are all division. Now let's take a look at the next questions. Rama had 13 liters of milk. He put it into several glasses, each containing 2 liters. How many glasses did he make? The same, in here we have the sense of divisions because we put the 13 liters into several glasses. We put them into smaller containers. So 13 divided by 2 is 6, or is it? Well, the real answer is 6.5. However, because the question says how many glasses did he make, we can never have half glass, so the real answer is only 6 glasses. Now how about the half? Well, the half in here means half of 2 liters. Half of the glass, and each glass is 2 liters, so half of the glass will be half of 2 liters. So when there's a question, how many liters remain? We know that half of 2 means that it's half times 2. Put this in your mind, of means multiplication. So half of 2 is half times 2, and the answer is 1 liter. Let's try to change the questions into fractions. Rama had 4/5 liters of milk. He put it into several glasses, each containing 1/6 liter. How many glasses did he make? The same, because it's still a division. 4/5 divided by 1/6. Don't forget to keep flip and change it. 4/5 times 6/1 equals to 24/5. Remember to simplify it. 24 divided by 5 is 4/5. Okay, so the answer of the glasses will be just 4 glasses. Now, if there's a question is how much remain or how much is left, we look at the 4/5. It is 4/5 of the glass. Remember, 4/5 of the glass, and the glass contains 1/6 liter. So 4/5 of 1/6 is 4/5 times 1/6. Let's do multiplications by simplifying it first. 4 and 6 both can be divided by 2, which results in 2/15. That's the final answer of the remaining milk that is not put into glasses. The last questions. Felice had 10 potatoes. She used 6 of them for soup and half of the remainder for mashed potato. Now we're looking at the word remainder here. So before we know how much is the half of the remainder, we need to know how much is the remainder first. The remainder will be 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Half of the remainder, remember, half of the remainder means half of 4. Half of 4 is 4 times half, and 4 times half is 2. Now, if the question is changed into fractions, Felice had 3 half potatoes. She used 1/4 of them for soup, and half of the remainder for mashed potato. How many was used for mashed potato? We start by doing subtraction first. As usual, we need to find out what is the remainder. 3.5 minus 1/4 is 2.25. And now, because we want to know what is half of the remainder, or half of 2/4, we multiply 2/4 by half. Because remember, of means multiplication. Now let's change the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Remember to do it. Multiplying the denominator by the whole number, 4 times 2, and then add the numerator, plus 1. 4 times 2 plus 1 equals to 9. And you repeat the same denominator. So 9 over 4. 9 over 4 times half will be 9 over 8. Or, when we simplify it, that's 1 over 8. And that's the final answer. So, one more time. The key in solving word problems using fraction is try to imagine it as whole number. Try to imagine it as the normal number instead of fractions. Because sometimes fraction can be confusing, but when you change it into whole number, you can start to imagine what operation you should do. Thank you very much and good luck.